Hello. In this video, we want to determine the continuity at x equals -1, x equals 1, and x equals 3 for the following function. Now, here's the thing. When we talk about continuity, the idea is basically, can you graph the function without picking up your pencil? And in other words, at each individual x value. Now, we will formalize this more in the next section, but for now, that's enough to get this down. Now, notice that x equaling -1 happens right there. So that would be x equaling -1 here. Now, notice that as x goes to -1 from the left-hand side, that's not the same thing as x goes to -1 from the right-hand side. And so because those two things aren't the same, there's no way to draw this without picking up your pencil. So therefore, x equaling -1 is discontinuous. Okay. Next, let's look at x equaling 1. Well, at x equals 1, notice that the left-hand side is the right-hand side, but notice that there is that circle there again. Remember, an open circle like that on the graph itself means that there's a hole in the graph there. But there's not just a hole in the graph, there's also a point down here. So I would actually have to graph that, pick up my pencil, do a circle, do a point down there after picking up my pencil again, and then pick up pencil again, and then draw the rest of the graph that way. So therefore, at x equals -1, x equals 1, that is also discontinuous. Now for the last one, at x equaling 3. That happens right here for the x equaling 3. Notice that the function value is right there. And also notice that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and the function value is the same as that. And so all of that combined means that I can actually just keep going without picking up my pencil at x equaling 3. So that means that x equals 3 is continuous. Okay, and that's just a vague understanding of what continuity is. As I said, in the next section, we will actually formalize this a little bit more using actual definitions of continuity. But for now, this is enough. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and end the video here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.